ROGERWOOD Sausages, mild version. These are some great sausages right here. I've been using these sausages right here for years. They got another version they sell, spicy and hot. I like the mild. See how beautiful they look. We sell these here in upstate South Carolina. ROGERWOOD. Put them in the comments below. They sell them at Aldi's. So you pretty much probably can get these probably all over the United States. Look at that bus. Yeah. Look at that. Y'all caught one in real time. From ROGERWOOD. It a sizzle. Thank you for watching my video. Let's see if I can get another one to pop on y'all. If I can get another one to pop. See that juice. Oh, that thing is hot. See that juice. From ROGERWOOD. Thank you for watching my video.